gentlemen, we're in our final descent now. Once again, ensure all seatbelts are fastened and take a moment to note your nearest emergency exit. Ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to Milan. The local time is just after 10:10. For your own comfort, but more especially for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has stopped moving and the captain switches off the overhead fastened seatbelt sign. Please remember to take all of your personal belongings with you when leaving us. Take care when opening the overhead bins. Items may have moved around during the flight and fall out, causing injury to you or to another passenger. If you're planning on travelling with Aer Lingus in the future, we'd invite you to log on to our website, aerlingus.com, where you'll find our cheapest fares and great deals on car hire, hotel accommodation and travel insurance. Just to remind you, until we've arrived on the stand here in Milan, the door has been opened. All mobile phones and BlackBerry devices must remain powered off. Finally, on behalf of Captain Kane and the rest of the crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us this morning. We hope that you've enjoyed your flight. We look forward to seeing you on board again soon. Guramaga Fagorja, we have Aer Lingus Airbus A320 Garad Paris Jasabeth, Gajiga Gosper Nikela Arish Slán Agus Banach Bailiff.
Signore e signori, siete pregati di rimanere seduti e di tenere la cintura allacciata fino a quando l'aeromobile non sarà completamente fermo e il segnale di allacciare le cinture verrà spento. Siete pregati di non accendere i telefoni cellulari fino a quando le porte non siano state aperte. Signore e signori, il capitano e il suo equipaggio vi ringraziano per aver viaggiato con Aer Lingus. Speriamo che il volo sia stato di vostro gradimento e ci auguriamo di rivedervi presto a bordo. Vi suggeriamo di visitare il nostro sito aerlingus.com, dove troverete le tariffe più economiche e ottime offerte per alberghi, assicurazioni di viaggio e il servizio